Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We were all meant to shine as children do. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
What is that trigger point that gets you
Have me lock in for the fight.
in there?
I mean, knowing that he coming at me, knowing he coming. Like, I just hope that in my mind that he coming as hard as I'm coming. That's really all I hope. Because, I mean, I'm coming hard. Like, we came to box. Like, some people box, I'm coming to fight you. I'm beating you. I'm really trying to do it to you. Like, I'm not playing with you. And, like, that's what really get me locked in. Like, there's 1,000 people watching, millions of people. I can't go back to the house. I can't go back to Polk County and tell my people that I lost the fight. I'm finna knock you out. Like, I mean, unfortunately, that's just what it is. Like, I'm not going back to my crib and telling them I lost. Man, I'm doing it for, the people at the house. So, I mean, that's one of my big lock-ins. There's millions of people that watching you. You're not finna embarrass yourself out there on TV and millions of people watching. Not me. That's why I go hard. These people about to watch me on TV. I'm about to put on a show. I'm about to put on a real show. I'm trying to make sure I look good, trying to make sure my body look right. Like, that's what helped me lock in. Like, knowing that there's millions of people watching me, and I'm about to show them how great I am, for real. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I know one person gonna be watching.
Who?
Your daughter. You can't look bad in front of her.
My heart and soul. She definitely is what keeps me going, man. She helped me grow up. I mean, she's fun to be around me. She make it fun to be a dad, so that's what I do it for. I like her to just watch. I like her to be there and watch me do it. So when she gets older, she can tell stories about the stuff that I did type deal. I mean, that's what my papa did. So I'll be on that. I'm on that legacy, real big. Man, I already done been in there with the hardest hitters. I already done been in there with the dudes that move the best. I already done been in, you know what? I already done been in there with the prospects. I really done been in there with them. But these dudes been doing this for what? Their whole life? But I'm in the game for 4 years and you see what I'm doing. You really see what I'm doing. Like, I don't even, like, imagine when you see me, all you see is Jim, daughter, Jim. That's all you're gonna see from me. And it's written in stone that I'm the heavyweight champion.
Mr. Brandon Lloyd. All the way from Lakeland, Florida, USA. Weighing 110 kilogramos con 900.